Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix eFootball commentary not working. So the first thing you need to do is to open eFootball app as see from here, then open the extra settings as see from here. After that, you need to click on game settings. From here you will see all these options. You need to click on download data. Now from here you will have the option to download the commentary language. So by default sometimes the commentary language is not downloaded. So you need to actually choose your language as see from here. So you can choose your own language for commentary, and after that you can go back to the settings. So from here you need to choose the audio settings. So from the audio settings you need to raise the commentary audio to the high level as see from here so you can hear it clearly. After you do that you need to go back to the settings again, and from here choose graphics settings. From here you need to make your options like this, and that's it. Now you can hear the commentary clearly. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.